The name of the cocktail came to its creator in a dream. The Disco Banana was created by Jeanie Grant when she was working at Pagan Idol in San Francisco in 2018. Grant wanted to use fresh banana and combine it with grassy rum agricole flavors and a funky Jamaican rum. The drink is featured in the minimalist Tiki book, but this recipe comes courtesy of friend of the channel Kevin Crossman, who wrote about it in Exotica Modern. And since Mr. Mai Tai is a member of the Make and Drink Patreon Mai Tai tier, he got to pick a cocktail for me to make here on YouTube, and shockingly, it was not a pineapple juice laid Mai Tai, but the Disco Banana. To make the Disco Banana, you'll need fresh banana, lime, cinnamon syrup, banana liqueur, Paranubes, an unaged rum agricole, and an overproof Jamaican rum, but you really need Rum Fire for this one. They say the Paranubes is optional, but I say mandatory, and it calls for 1 bar spoon. Always great to remember that 1 bar spoon equals 5 milliliters equals 1 teaspoon. Now we are going to build this in a blender, but first, just turn down the lights. All right, let's try the Disco Banana. All right, I understand the request now. I've been hesitant to make this, mainly because it's a blender drink served in a coupe. It has some pretty intense flavors in there. You know, I put in a very grassy rum agricole with the Paranubes. We have Rum Fire. Those are kind of 3 very distinct styles of rum. And worried that it might be a little bit too advanced for people because they'd be scared off by the Paranubes, scared off especially by the Rum Fire. But it works. It's relatively mild in the best of ways. It's not overpowering. That Rum Fire there with the banana works together so well. Rum Fire and cinnamon is a magical combination. And then by blending it, you're getting all that dilution. And it's something where, you know, it's not going to get over diluted too quickly like you could with, you're using like light Puerto Rican rums. These rums can hold up to being in a blended cocktail. This is hands down 1000% the best version of a banana daiquiri that you're ever going to come across. I can't recommend this one enough. This is so delicious. Shit, I forgot you're supposed to garnish this with some grated cinnamon. I had a lot going on when I was putting this one together. So thank you for watching. Thank you to the Make and Drink Patreon community. And thank you to Kevin Crossman, Patreon member #1. Thank you for your suggestion here. I mean, he even shared with me some of his Appleton 17 legend. It's pretty amazing. So thanks everyone for your support. If you like this video, please like the video below, subscribe to the channel if you want to, and otherwise, see you on the next one.